Hi team, welcome back. How was the last section? I think it's good. Excuse me. And now we are going to see if you are able to write in a fiction story kind of content. Fiction story kind of content. Some people like a fiction kind of content also. Okay. There are 20% people who likes a fiction kind of content also. So, how we are going to leave those kind of customers? No, right? So, here what we need to do, we need to write kind of fiction kind of content also. That we need to manage kind of like, human brain and machine learning, AI, artificial intelligence. So, why I learning in the sense, we need to give some inputs to generate kind of fiction stories. Okay. So, storytelling is an art, and storytelling, while you are telling any story, it should connect to your product. Okay. And it should carry on that product. I am not genius on that. You have to create a nice story and share it to me also for my products also. Okay. Everyone will have a special skills, right? You have awesome, brilliant, beautiful skills, my dear family. So, how to create fiction kind of content? Okay, story content. Let's see. The site is The Fiction Maker. The Fiction Maker. So here fiction, fun, FAN, fun, FICMAKER.com is a site. Oh, what happened? See, this is the problem with this people. What happens? What is this? Vice.com. Oh. 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 The thing is, see, these all you need to understand. These all are, small developers who cannot afford, even bandwidth also, but they like to do something good to the society, help the society. That was the reason I'm asking donations also. Because we need to do a lot of research, we need to set up so many computers, supercomputers like quantum computers to write kind of AI environment. I stopped my project because of funding. I also developing a kind of an AI based human. So that actually what happens, the complete, I shown you the yesterday, right? The last section I shown you the niches, right? 200 niches, whatever the niches is going to be work by that robo. Okay, it will work by that robo. So it will only handle, pick the call, and it will say, hi, this is Bhavin, personal secretary, how can I help you? So, and it will ask the name, what's your first and last name and which city you are from, what do you do? So immediately it will pull all your data from all over the world, from web, and it will tell you who you are, what you are. If you say, if you are the same person, you need to press 1. Then it will take you the personalized message, and it will, the message, whatever you said, that will convert into the text, and it will pop up and send to my chatbot, my personal chat. Okay. So like that, so many 240 types of operations it will do. It will only handle my chart. It will only, even this tool is developing for all my students who require these kind of support. So everything, it will only take care Facebook advertisement. It will only take care by Google advertisement, search engine optimization, my websites, everything will take care by the AI only. We don't require a human. Okay, that kind of robo kind of, I cannot say robo, I can say my assistant. Okay, our assistant is going to be developed, but there are lack of funds and all to do research. We need to go with the quantum computers, not exactly the quantum computers. We need a very high-end computers, which is 90 to 100 core processors, and not less than 500 GB or 1 TB, 500 to 1 TB RAM. So like that configurations we required. Okay. So why I am telling this story is, the fiction maker is a tool. It's a very awesome, beautiful tool which you can generate so many stories for free. Kind of product oriented also. If you are creativity, if you have a creativity, you can create a kind of fiction stories related to your products. Okay. You can generate awesome stories, and you can put it in your web to generate more traffic. But the poor fellow, like he don't have a money to pay his server bandwidth. Okay, he don't have a money to pay his server bandwidth. He is unable to give a service to the society because he don't have enough money. He is a developer, AI based developer, but he is unable to pay the money to the server. So that was the reason. The server is not down, bandwidth limit is expired. Okay, bandwidth limit is expired. Lot many people working on this. It's very small tool. Now it's people are using like anything. I founded this tool past 1 year back, I think so. It's awesome. If it is possible, I can see the images, show you the images, right? I got this image, right? I'll show you. This is going to be work actually. This is actually going to be work. See, using this tool, how many people are making a cartoons also? Wow! There is an YouTube video also here. Let's see this, if it is possible. Watch. 59 minutes YouTube video. They made a cartoon.
All right.
Oh my.
So, you might notice this is not AI Dungeon yet.
Yeah.
You see, in order to appreciate good fanfic generation, we need to appreciate bad fanfic generation. He whispered at Ichigo, taking off his shirt and revealing that he had been wearing a nipple clamps all this time. That was kinda hot as well, Ichigo thought, and it became a really, really nice night. Although, deeply, somewhere, Ichigo felt a little doubt over his proclamation.
So I think you are able to understand what it is exactly. So here what you need to do is, once you open site would be like this, okay. You can select like niches like this. You can select favorite, how the story you should be like in a Spider-Man or Batman or Power Man, or so many mans and women's are there, right, in movies, and Star Wars, kind of anything you can select it, and after that you need to insert the names like hero or heroine. If you selected Power Woman, I like women a lot. If you select a Power Woman, so you can select the Power Woman and you can insert your name and who are the enemies in your life, whoever, whatever you feel, you can insert their names as an villains and all. And the content, like how you want, you can select it, but no violence, no abuse, no sexual harassment kind of things, and don't select this all. Keep it zero volume, and then click make a story. So once you click on make a story, okay, so you will get a story output like this. And you see, what I mean to say is, you generate a story, okay, kind of related to your product. You just imagine, once you practice, this site is going to be open anyhow, okay. So monthly limit, in the sense next month he will pay the money, okay. So once he pay the money, again the server will start. We need to find it, okay, don't leave it. This is an awesome tool, but you need to understand why we will ask for the donations. Okay, why we ask for the donations? Donations, collecting and donation to give you a more better output. Lives are going to be very easy, right? If you want, see, in marketing, there are different kind of people in this earth. Some people like some kind of content, a professional kind of content. Some people like a funny kind of content. some people like kind of this fiction kind of content. So every individual we need to target. We cannot target only one or two. If you advertise on the Facebook and if you generate a leads, that lead is 0.00000000.0000001% also not. You got it? It's not even 0.000000001% also. But the other 100%, okay, the people, how we will target? We need to target like this only. You got my point, team? So don't find whenever you feel like, enter this domain name, okay, you can generate an awesome stories. But I cannot say sorry. It's not a sorry. But whenever you are looking for the support, whenever you are looking for for somebody else support, okay, and to give you support, it won't come for free for them. They need to spend a lot of money, okay, a lot of money. But the person also, see, intention is there to support is, but we need to spend a lot of money on the technology maintenance also, okay, so that if they have a maintenance money, they can manage it, they can give you the support. If they won't have that much of funds, because millions of dollars we require to maintain these kind of environments, okay. So if you are looking for the support, definitely donate us, who is providing a right technology and right solutions. See, I can also keep my course as an 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, because my value is that. See, if I am working for any company as a consultant, okay, I will charge not less than $300 to $500 per hour. This is very less, very low. If I say my original price, you cannot. He is joking, you will tell. Okay, but why we are giving these courses for very less price? Because to support the society, to support the community, to teach you a more, to taught you a more. One of my student from Bengaluru, he was learned from me, and he was creating so many courses, so many stuff he was doing in artificial intelligence. And it's kind of stolen kind of stuff, right? You should not do that, okay? Learning and after that the same content publishing on the web, it's not good. So whatever the tools I'm telling you, you use it for your business growth, and don't try to reteach the same content again to other people. Don't copy paste it in your life. You got it? If you are doing like that, everyone will do the same thing. There is no uniqueness, and you will struggle, you will get struggle, and I will get struggle. Everyone will get struggle. And the end of the day, the main thing is, here you need to understand, we need to deliver a right knowledge to our community, our society, right? Don't make it as a business, don't corrupt it. My humble request is, okay? And support us, like us, who was really giving you a right product, right solution, right knowledge, right study, okay, and who was helping you to get a good business, success in your life, then definitely you have to support. And I'll tell you one story. See, I'll tell you a very honest people which I seen, like the long back in 2001 might be, okay, 2001 I designed a very beautiful magazine for an medical conference, okay, the World Medical Conference, that is for a World Health Organization, that is done in Visakhapatnam at that time, okay. Every year it's going to be done on one city in all over the world. So worldwide the doctors will come. So what happened in the sense, designed and we printed and we given to them. Everything is fine. They liked it. Awesome design. It's a kind of 150 pages design layout. From there onwards, we got a very small little bill at that time. Actually, they asked us, KGH doctors asked us, we don't have a budget, but but you need to help us in the sense, they are doctors, right? We have also little. That was the reason I do have so many doctors friends. So we just, okay, we said okay and we done it. So the real story is, whenever you use the same book template, okay, whenever, till now I got 3 checks, okay, from past 20 years. Whenever they use my book template, they will send me $1,000 check. They will send $1,000 check to me because they are using my template, right? Whatever the book template, design template, the method, okay, they used to pay me $1,000. How good it is? It is not a good, but it's kind of like, whenever you're using one person solution or a knowledge, and that given you a good success in the sense, in the success, whatever the success part is, you need to share to that people also, okay. That is kind of sharing on the success. You got my point? So that kind of mindset we need to be. If not, it can't possible. I'll find this fellow also. I will try to donate something, okay. I'll try to donate something to maintain their servers. I'll find this the site webmaster, and I will try to donate something, okay, to run these servers. So this is all about this section. I think I didn't bore you. This is the reality, my dear. You need to understand. I am not begging here, or I am not saying that, but you need to understand this world need to be changed. No one is going to help you out. You see, you are going to see one tool. That tool cost you, that is kind of content generation only. That tool cost you $1,000. I'll put it that. Even it starts from $299. If you go for the 10,000 contents kind of that, it's $1,000. Okay. So you have to understand tools are so costly to maintain. Even no one is going to give you for free, even for research also. We need to spend a lot of money. Then only we can deliver you a good content and good knowledge, right? I can show you AI based tools, content writing tools. Oh my God, so many. If you type in Google also, you will get so many. But again, wasting your time, wasting your money, you won't get an output properly. Because we researched so many tools, then only we came a conclusion and we are delivering to you. Okay. Okay, then anyhow, I'll catch you on next topic. Okay. Please try to donate to the technology people who was providing a right solution for your business growth or your growth or anything like us. Okay. You seen really, right? You seen really how what happened, because poor fellow, he was unable to pay for his bandwidth charges also. Bandwidth charges in the sense, it will be very high. It won't be $1, $2 or $100. Okay. So many hundreds of thousands of people are going to use it, and while they are using it, so much of bandwidth. So what happens? They are unable to pay that bandwidth charges. He struggled and he wrote a nice script, AI based script. I don't know how many years he struggled to write that application. But finally the end of the day, he made a car, but he was not having enough money to fill the fuel. Okay. So we have a cars team, but we don't have a funds to fill the fuel. So donate us. That is good for the society and as well as for you also. Thank you.